Okay, so we'll start from question number 5 now. Okay, Adrit, can you read question number 5? Or should I just erase these things? Just a second, I'll clear the screen. Okay. Adrit, by the time you read the question.
Okay, ma'am. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. The petrol costs 44 rupees per liter. How much did he spend in all on petrol?
Did you understand the question, Adrit?
Yes, ma'am.
Explain the question to everyone.
Mom, can I?
I'm telling Adrit.
Ma'am, one taxi driver filled his car petrol for Monday 40 liters, and the next day he filled up 40 liters of petrol. And ma'am, if 1 liter cost 44 rupees, ma'am,
how much did he spend on all on petrol?
Ma'am, then we need to multiply to get 40. Ma'am.
First, your first statement will be petrol filled on Monday, that is 40 liters, right? Then petrol filled on the next day, that is Tuesday, is 50 liters. Then total petrol filled is Monday and Tuesdays both, that is 40 plus 50, that is 90 liters. Then
we need to do multiplication.
Yes, then we are given cost of 1 liter of petrol, that is 44 rupees. So 44 rupees multiplied by 90 liters.
40.
Yes. Okay, so then let's do. Please write the statements and do the sum, everyone. And you will be showing me on the screen.
Ma'am, shall I say my answer?
Wait, let others also do. What is the answer, Rishit?
Ma'am, shall I say it like a statement or a direct answer?
Tell me with the statement. It's better with the statement.
A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank on Monday is equals to 40 liters.
Yes.
The driver filled his car, filled petrol in his car on the next day is equals to 50 liters.
Good.
Both the days is equals to 40 plus 50 is 90 liters. And 1 liter petrol costs 44 rupees.
Very good.
So the cost of the money he spent on petrol is equals to into 44, that is equals to 3,960 rupees.
Very good. Are all getting the same answer?
Ma'am, can you repeat this answer again?
Yes, ma'am.
It's rupees 3,960.
Yes, ma'am, I got the same answer.
Good. Very nice. Okay, now Charvik, you read the next question. Just a second.
Yes. So, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel. The morning and 60 in the morning, and 68 liters of 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to vendor per day?
Okay, good. Okay, now Sritej, you explain me the question, what we need to do in this.
Ma'am, so vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel. He gives like 32 liters of milk.
So what will be your first statement?
Amount of milk to the vendor supplies to the hotel is equal to 32 liters.
Hello.
Ma'am, the statement will be like amount of milk the vendor supplies to the hotel in the morning is equal to 32 liters.
Yes.
Then the second statement will be amount of milk the vendor supplies to the hotel in evening is equals to 68 liters.
Very good.
Then price per liter is equal to 15 rupees. Money due to the vendor per day is equals to 32 plus 68,
Yes, very good.
which is 100 liters of milk. And since it is so 15 liters of milk, 15 rupees per liter, we have to do 100 into 15, which is 1,500 rupees. So
Very
the
good.
answer is the vendor has to pay 1,500 rupees per day.
Very good. So vendor has to pay 1,500 rupees. Did
Ma'am?
everyone understand?
Ma'am, does vendor need to play or the hotel need to pay?
The hotel.
Yes.
Total cost, the hotel person. Okay. The vendor supplies the milk.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, so the vendor gets 1,000.
Yes. So the vendor gets 1,500 rupees. Okay. So is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has a doubt in this? Want me to solve?
No, ma'am.
Anyone who wants me to solve this question here? Although Sritej has explained it very nicely. Okay, let's move ahead to question number 7. Now, Ridesh Maji is here. Ridesh?
Yes.
Yes, now this is match the following. Okay, now Sritej, see the first one and you have to match. Which property is this? 425 multiplied by 136. See, you are given 3 properties here. Commutative under multiplication, commutativity under addition.
Commutative under multiplication.
Distributivity of multiplication over addition. So this is what? 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. So this is what?
Ma'am, who are you asking?
Ridesh.
Yeah, ma'am. Teacher, the first one goes to distributive of multiplication over addition.
Yes, this is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Why we call it distributivity? Because
Teacher, because first
we are
distribute the
splitting this
multiplication
100
and then add.
like yesterday also we did some questions, no? If the question was multiplied with 102, then we had to split 100 plus 2, like this, these type of questions. These are all based on distributivity. Okay, suppose if you had some question like this. Okay, next, Ashwath will tell me the next.
Next also can I tell?
Ma'am, it's
Teacher, it is community under multiplication.
I said I'll be asking Ashwath. Ridesh, I said I'm asking Ashwath. I'll give you turn later. Yes, Ashwath.
ma'am, a bit
Commutativity
under multiplication.
under multiplication. You multiply in any order, the answer remains the same. Okay. Next one, Adrit, you tell me the next one.
Yes, ma'am, the B.
This is commutativity under addition, that you add in any order, the answer remains the same. Okay. Okay, now patterns in whole numbers. Okay, these are some patterns, arranging the dots. Let's move ahead. Okay, now this is sequencing and observing the pattern. Let's do this. Let's see what is there in this exercise. Which of the following will not represent 0? What is this 10 into 10? This is minus sign here. The sign here is minus, okay? Okay. Now, who else is there? Let me see. I must give chance to Others also. Adrit, Ashwath, Ritesh, Rishit, Charvik. Okay. Charvik, you tell me. Question number 1.
Okay, ma'am. So 1 divided by 0, ma'am, it will be 1.
Which one does not represent 0? So tell me, what is this first one representing?
I didn't get how to, like,
What is the answer of this?
ma'am, 1 divided by 1. 1 divided by 0. Ma'am, it's...
This is not divide, this is plus.
Ma'am, like, from far it's looking like...
Okay, now you got to know, no? It's plus.
Okay.
Now tell me the answer.
That's 1.
1. Okay, so this is not representing 0. This is representing 1. Now what is this? 0 multiplied by 0.
0, so it will be 0 only.
0.
So
0
it
divided by 2.
0.
0. Now this one, 10 minus 10 divided by 2.
10 minus 10, ma'am, it will be 0 by 2.
0 by 2. And 0 by 2 is?
Ma'am, 0 by 2 is 0.
0. Okay, so that means which one is not representing 0? That is the A part.
Okay.
A1 is not representing 0, rest all are zeros. You get it?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next one, let's see. Oh. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, we can say that one or both of them will be 0. Justify through examples. Can you give some example for this? Where we can say product of two numbers is 0.
Ma'am, is it me?
No.
And can I say
Sritej, you tell
Rishit?
me. Wait, just let me give chance to Sritej. Yes, Sritej. Give me 2 examples. Any example where by multiplying you get answer 0.
Man, like 3 into 0.
3 into 0, very good.
Ma'am, or 0 into 0 also.
0 into 0 also, very good. Okay, now next is Rishit's turn.
Yes.
Rishit, read the third question.
If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, we can say that.
Yes,
So, give me some examples.
1 into 1 is 1.
Yes. More examples.
Ma'am, ma'am, that's it.
That. Okay, if the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1?
Yes, ma'am, we
Yes.
can.
How can we say product of two whole numbers is 1? That is possible with 1 itself, no?
Yes, ma'am, that's why we can say yes.
But if we take some other number, say 1 into 5, that will be 5.
5.
So it is clear that the product of two whole numbers will be 1 in the situation when both numbers are
1 equal.
multiplied by 1.
Yes, sir.
Both numbers multiplied, those are multiplied are 1. Okay. So one product will be when you have both numbers as 1. But when you have one number 1, that will give you the number itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the next question. Find using distributive property. Now here you have to apply the distributive law. Okay. You remember what is distributive law?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you split the number. If
Okay,
this
so
is 100, what will you write here? 100 plus
100
1.
plus 1.
Okay. So same way you have to split for these numbers also. Let's do. These are the product form. Okay, let's do. Do the first one. We have done so many questions yesterday.
Ma'am, I got 74,528.
Yes, ma'am, I also got the same.
74,000.
528.
Please check your answer again.
Ma'am, I also got that answer.
You get 7,000, 72,000.
Ma'am, is it 73,000? 528.
It's something like that only because
I'll
you
do it
have
again.
this 8, 2, this is 5, then this is 3, then 73,528. Okay. Now do the next one. B part. Ridesh will give the answer for this. Others, do the others, rest of the questions also. I'll be asking each one of you. Ridesh, give the answer for B part. Ridesh is not there. Adrit, you tell me. B part.
Ma'am, can I?
Teacher, I'm there. Teacher, I'm there.
Where
Which
were
one?
you? Where were you? Why did you leave?
I didn't leave. I was in the class only.
You were not
Hello.
there. I
While
followed your lead.
opening the mic, it takes some time, teacher. My mic is slow a little bit. Yeah, ma'am.
But
Teacher,
you don't need to
B1.
put it off. Once it is on, then keep it on. If you know it gives you trouble.
But sound outside sound comes. Teacher, yes, ma'am. Second one, right? Teacher, can I calculate once?
Adrit, be ready with the next one.
Teacher, 2 minutes. Give me calculation time. 5,437 into 1,001. 717. Teacher, the answer is 5,442,437, which is nothing but 54 lakh 42,437.
Okay.
No, no answer, teacher.
This?
That's wrong. That's wrong.
This is wrong.
54 lakh 42,42. Okay, okay, it's right.
Okay. Okay. Adrit, you did this?
Yes, ma'am. I got 20,600.
20,600. Okay. What did you do? Which number you split?
Ma'am, I did 824 into 20. So, ma'am, I got the result as 16480.
824 into 20. Okay. Then you added with 5.
Ma'am, I added with 5. Ma'am, then into 5, so I got 4120.
Okay. Then you did this.
Ma'am, then I added those both numbers.
Okay. Okay, this is also correct. But if I, just in case I'm trying like this, if I split 824, I get 800 plus 20 plus 20 25 I can write 24 as 25 minus 1. Is it?
Yes,
800 plus 24 can be written as 25 minus 1. Then multiplied by 25. I'm just trying here. Let's see if we get some easier method. Okay, what Adrit said, that is also correct. So if I now put this 25 has to multiply with all these parts, one, this also, this also, this also, right? So that gives me 800 into 25 plus 25 into 25. Then this minus sign, 1 into 25. So what I get, 25 into 8 gives me 200 and 2 more zeros. Okay. Plus 25 into 25, I know this is 625. 25 into 1 is minus 125. So 625 minus 25 will give me 600. So this is 20,000 minus plus 600. Okay, so this will give me 20,600. Okay, this is the way also we are getting. Here by multiplying, I get most of the numbers in zeros. Is it? Which one you are finding easy, children? Hello?
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
one are you finding easy? The distributive way?
Ma'am, the bet you are doing now.
Which one?
Second one,
Okay.
you did.
Okay, whichever you find easy, you can follow that. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But in this case, why I tried this? Because I just thought that when I multiply with 824 with 20, okay, this can be done. This will give me something in zeros at the units place. Okay, and if I multiply this, for that also I have to multiply the whole of the number. Okay, if I multiply 824 with 20, let's see this, what I get with this 824 into 20. 2 4s is 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. I get this with 1 0 here. Then I get 824 into 5. 5 4s is 20. Then I get 12. It's a 40, then 41. And when I add this, 6, 10, 20. Okay. For in this case, I have to add more of numbers. Okay. In this case, I'm getting all in the maximum form of zeros. Like this is some standard number. Like this is a perfect square number. Okay. Anyways, you can do both ways, but I'm finding the second option is better to follow. Okay, let's do the next one. I'll do on the other page. Just a second. Okay, the next question is 4275 into 125. Okay, this one. So do this now. Try this. See if
I got 5,34,375.
wait.
Same.
I'm just trying. If you split this number, you get 100 plus 25. No? So it's easy to multiply with 100, but it's difficult to multiply with 25. Is it? So if I split this big number, let's try and see. If I split 4,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 5, this into 125. So what I get? I just have to multiply 125 with 4. So when I add 125 with 4, what I get? 1 multiplying this 500 I get.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I multiply 200 with 125. What do I get? 250.
We get 170, 150, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 250.
So 125 when I multiply with 7. What do I get? With 7. Multiply and see 125 with 7.
Ma'am, I got 875.
875. Okay. 14, 15, 16, 17. 675.
Ma'am, I got 800.
No, it's 800. I'm so sorry. This is 800. We are doing with 7, no? Good. You are right, beta. So now 125 with 5, what do you get?
625.
Okay, that's 625. Okay. So if we add these both numbers, 625 and 825, 625 or 825, we'll add and okay, this is 10, this is 7, 15, 1500. This is coming 1500. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Check. Is it right?
Now I'm getting 1500.
Okay. So now we have got this is 5,25,000. Please add this and see what do you get. Add this. Add it and see what do you get.
Ma'am got 26,500.
Yeah.
Oh no, ma'am, I got 25,000 plus 1,500 is 26,500. And I have to add it with 5 lakh.
Do it. Yes, Nishit.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, is it 5 lakhs 26,500?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. I'm also working on this to 26,500,000. Okay, I'm also getting this.
Yes, ma'am. I also got that.
Okay.
But when we do normally, it's coming like 5,34,375.
Ma'am, I did this question before normally and I got 5,34,375.
The answer should not vary. So somewhere some mistake is there, either in yours or maybe in this calculation. So let's see the calculation again. Answer should not vary, whatever you do. Even if you try the difficult method, trying with big numbers, the answer should not be different.
Ma'am, then we can try with difficult method now and check our answer.
Okay. So what you are learning here is distributive property. Those difficult methods you have already learned in your journal.
Actually, it's 5,34,375 only, ma'am.
Okay. Never mind. We'll check the calculation also again. Please check this. Check it. Yes, done. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Not done.
Ma'am, I did it again. I got 5,34,375.
Okay.
Same answer.
See, when we multiply 400, this is the number we are given, no? 4275 into 125. Okay, when we multiply 4000 with 125, we get this 5 lakhs, right? When we multiply, this is the next number is 200. Okay, with 125, we get 25,000. Okay, let's write like this and we'll add them up. Then when we multiply, what is this? I've written this. Okay. Oh, this is 75. Why I've written 75? Oh, this is 875. Okay. Then when we multiply 70 with 125, we get, there is 1 0 here. We got it. This is
Ma'am, I got the same.
8750.
Both
This
same,
is
ma'am. I got
children
the
here.
both
We got
same.
the mistake. Yes, this is here. We did not put this 0 here. You get it?
Yes, ma'am.
We caught the mistake now.
Ma'am,
So now when you add
5
5,
plus
then 7, then we have
25,000 plus 8,750
yes,
plus 625.
then 3, then 5. This is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Same
So
answer.
this was the thing. I'll show you here. This was the mistake that we were not putting this.
Ma'am, just because of a 0, we got the whole answer wrong.
Yes, this
Ma'am, that
0.
must be
We did
0.
not put this 0. We multiplied with 7 and we forgot to put this 0. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we get answer. Yes, so we were stuck here. That's nice. Let's move to another question. Let's see what is the next one. Oh, the next one, where is the chapter? Here. Oh, it's so far. This. Hmm. Where did it go?
Ma'am, I think it's down. No, ma'am, up.
So much of no, something is.
Ma'am, I think the lesson is over.
No, this sex we were doing
ma'am.
after this
Ma'am,
exercise.
I think a few pages were like deleted by mistake.
This it was. It's here. No, these
Ma'am,
are
ma'am,
it
here.
was just loading.
Here.
Ma'am, before we did
Ma'am,
not
it's
count
over.
before.
Ma'am, it's over.
Just a second.
Yes,
Just a second.
ma'am.
This is the last part only.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are in the last question, fifth one.
We are in the last one. So note down this question now. 504 multiplied by 35. Do this and let's see. Just note down this question, then we'll see what is this. Study the pattern. Okay.
Ma'am, I
This
got
is
17,640.
okay. How did you do? Just multiply it directly or distributive law is applied?
Ma'am, distributed law. Ma'am, I did 504 into 30. Then I added that with 504 into 5. I got the answer.
Okay. 500 plus 4 into 35.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but for easy one, we can split 504, ma'am. It will become 504.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so you will multiply this 500 into 35 plus 35 into 4 because 35 into 4 are small numbers. You can multiply them quickly. Okay, this gives you 5 4s are 20. You get 140. This is plus, and this is 35 into 5 is 175. Here. So what you get your answer 17640.
Yes, ma'am, I got that answer only.
Okay. Sure. Let's see
same
the
answer.
next. Yes, good, bache. Study the pattern. So 1 into 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, this is the pattern. Let's just analyze the pattern. 12 into 2 plus 2. Now
12 into 8 plus 2, ma'am.
12 into 8 plus 2. So that's 96 plus 2. Okay, we are observing the pattern here. 1 and with 1 we have another 2. Then here we have 2 and 3 together, and here also 1 number is increasing. Okay, so we are getting this pattern 9, 8, 7. The number is decreasing here this side. So as we increase the numbers this side and we add 1 here, we observe that here the numbers are decreasing by 1. Okay.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you observing this pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next 2 steps. Can you say how the pattern works? Can you write the next few steps now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this, it is written on this. Okay. Chalo. So if we have, suppose this is 5, and now suppose if we do this with simply just try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1 number is increasing, and here also we are added with 1 more. Oh, this is 6.
6, ma'am.
So we will get 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4.
4. Okay, similarly, if you have another number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7, you get your number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3. So this is all used. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and if you want to check your number, you can multiply all this and see whether you get this or not. Okay. Chalo, with this, I think all the questions of this chapter, the whole numbers is done. Okay. Do you have any doubt in this? In commutative property, distributive property, and what was the other property we studied? Commutativity, associativity, over multiplication and over addition. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So children, if you have any doubt in this, this is all about number system. Okay, so you have another chapter also based on number system, but that I will not start today. Maybe I'll take some other time, or maybe in the next class. Okay. For now, we'll do this.
Ma'am, will you do? Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Yes, tell.
will you teach us for Indian test series exam
Which series,
like
beta?
revision type?
Which series are you talking?
Indian test series.
Indian test
Indian
series.
test series.
Yeah, test series, ma'am.
Indian test series.
Yes, ma'am. Exam.
Okay.
We have chapter algebra.
Okay, algebra. Algebra is already there in your this.
Yes, ma'am. It's easy.
Yes, you already have this.
Revision.
Okay, I'll check out for algebra. We'll do that better. Although we have done algebra chapter, while revising also we can take more of Olympiad questions and other test series also. Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because I have been taking questions
Yes.
from your exemplar also, exemplar book also. Okay, let's do some extra questions. I'll give you some sums. Okay. Okay. The question says, find the sum of the greatest and the least 6-digit number formed by the digits 2, 0, 4, 7, 6, 5. These are the digits. You have to form the greatest 6-digit number.
Ma'am, sum or subtraction?
Sum means addition. Okay. And least 6-digit number.
Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, it's
Find the sum.
9,69,987.
Find the sum of the greatest and least 6-digit number formed by these numbers, using each digit only once. So you have to use these
Ma'am,
numbers.
I'm getting confused.
Okay, tell me which is the greatest 6-digit number formed with this.
Ma'am, who are you asking?
I'm asking Ashwath. Yes, Ashwath, tell me. Greatest 6-digit number formed with this.
Ma'am, 76,54,320.
300, there is no 3.
No, ma'am. Sorry. 7 lakh 65,000 420.
Very good. Adrit, you tell me the least 6-digit number formed with these numbers.
Yes, ma'am. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
0 never comes.
I'm sorry, ma'am. 2, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. Now, Sritej, you tell me what is the answer, what is the sum?
Ma'am, it's 9,69,987.
9699.
Ma'am, 969,987.
Yes. Okay. Good.
Yes, ma'am, same.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am, same.
Okay. Okay, there is one more question. Sunita bought 15 notebooks for rupees. I'm writing here. Sunita bought. Please write with me. Sunita bought. Write in your notebooks. Please write the question. Sunita bought 15 notebooks for rupees 15. For rupees 15 each, and 15 erasers. 15 erasers for rupees 5 each, and 15 sharpeners for rupees 3 each. Find total money spent by her using suitable property. Find total money spent. Now here you have to apply the property. You have to check which property to apply here. Find total.
Is it distributive property?
You can apply whichever you want by finding the suitable, the most suitable, by her using suitable property. But you have to do with property only. This is for sure. Because if you get such type of question in your test exam and you do not apply property and you just directly just multiply and give your answer, you will not get full marks. Okay. If it is written here, you have to apply some property, then you have to apply. There are marks for this. Quickly find out, give the answers. I'm writing the next question. Rani,
Is it associative property?
You can use any property, beta.
Can.
You can. There is no restriction on whether you have to use this or that property. You can use any property, but with property. Property that gives you easy answer.
Ma'am, is it 255?
Your final answer, you are saying 255?
No, ma'am. Like in the question, Rani bought. Sorry,
So
Rani bought.
Rani question I have not written full. Give me the answer for this one first.
Is it 25 or 225 students?
Okay, let me check with others also. Let others also find out their answers.
Ma'am, for this Sunita bought 15 notebooks question, it's 345. I mean 345 rupees.
What is your final answer? What have you got?
The final answer is 345 rupees. This
345. Okay, we'll just check with others also. She
Mom, she
bought
spent
15 notebooks for 15 rupees. So 15 multiplied by 15. Then she bought 15 erasers for rupees 5 each. Okay, so that means 15 multiplied by 5. Then she bought 15 erasers for 3 rupees each. So that means 15 into 3. And whatever you answer whatever answer you get for all of these, you have to add them. Okay.
that only.
Mom, I sent you a message. Can I do like that?
Just a second, I'll check.
Mom, it's 225, 75, and 45. Mom,
Okay.
and answer is 345.
Yes, you're right, beta Ashwin. This is the way you have to do 15 into 3 plus 15 into 5 plus 15 into 15.
Yes, ma'am, I did it in the same way.
So what do you do here? See now, where will you apply the property?
I use
You
as
can
a
see, look here.
Ma'am, there are
You can see that
15.
15 is common in all of these. 15 is
Yes,
common here.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
will take 15
Instead of
common
taking-
outside. And
Instead of taking
inside
15
you have,
we can take
Two.
only
yes,
That
inside you have
open 3 plus 5 plus 15.
yes.
yes, ma'am, 2
This.
into 15 plus 3 plus 5.
Okay, so okay. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can, yes.
Ma'am, I got 20.
So that becomes 15 plus 5 is 20 and 23. So 15 into 23 you can multiply. These are small numbers. So whatever answer you get, are you getting 345? What answer are you getting, children, by multiplying 15 with 23?
Mom, 340. Mom, it's 340.
Okay, are all getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if all are getting the same, then okay. Now Rani bought tickets for Kashmir for 25 students of her class, costing rupees 624 each, and also she spent rupees 25 on auto rickshaw.
Mom, is it each or all total? Like 25 rupees on auto rickshaw? Each
means
or 20?
For 25 students, she spent auto rickshaw or only for her?
Just a second. She spent rupees 25 on 1 second. Let me just write the question. What was her total expenditure? Okay, now in this case, Rani bought tickets for Kashmir for 25 students for her class costing 625 each. Now she bought 25 tickets and each ticket was for 624 rupees each. Okay. And also she spent rupees 25 on auto rickshaw. Now she bought all these tickets in one trip. So that means only once you have to add this 25. Okay. Now ticket for each child was 624 and 25 was her auto rickshaw expense.
That means only she went in the auto rickshaw or everyone?
She only.
Okay.
Mom, so it will be mom 15,625.
What?
Mom, answer.
Give me the first statement. What did you write first?
Mom, Rami bought tickets for 25 students, and each each cost of the ticket is 624.
So
And
that is, wait. So
okay.
that's 25 students into 624. The total amount of the tickets
Ma'am,
is,
it is 15,600.
this is total amount of the tickets.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then plus
And plus
she added
25 rupees.
auto rickshaw charges. Okay.
So it will be 15,600 and 625 rupees.
Okay. So I can see 25 is common here also and here also. Okay. So I
Yes.
take 25 common and inside I have 624 plus just nothing is here. So I write 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that becomes 625. 25 into 625.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever answer you get,
Ma'am, 624.
625, bache. 624 plus 1.
Why we added that plus 1?
Because here, see here, if I make 25 into 1 makes no difference here in 25. Okay. Are you getting that?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
And now I took 25 common outside. And what I'm left with, 624 plus 1. So I get 625. So when you multiply 625 with 25, tell me your answer while by multiplying. What do you get?
Ma'am, I got 15,625.
Okay, good. Okay, so I'll give you, find the value of 66 into 23 plus 66 into 15 plus 66 into 12 is what? Give me the value of this.
Ma'am, shall I say the answer of second question?
See,
Ma'am, the answer is 2 into 15.
okay, 2 into 15. Tell me for the first one. Sritej, you tell me.
Ma'am, the first one.
Yes.
1 minute.
Others also be ready with your rest of the answers.
Ma'am, is it 3,300?
Okay, let me check with others also. What do you do here?
Can I tell third one?
Text is common outside. Inside you're left with 23, then 15, then 12.
Ma'am, can I tell third one?
Okay. What is the answer of this?
Ma'am, I said 3,300.
3,300. Okay, are all getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell third one?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, so 4 into 25 is equals to 100 and 100 into 3,752 is equals to 3,000, sorry, what is it? Yeah, 3 lakhs or 3 lakhs 30 3 lakhs 75,200.
Okay. Ridesh is there. Ridesh. Ridesh. Okay, Adrit, you give me the answer for this. Fourth one.
Ma'am, can you wait for 1 minute?
Okay, Ashwath. Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, give me the answer of fifth one.
Ma'am?
The fourth one answer.
Ashwath, do the fifth one. You will give me the answer for the fifth one. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
1636.
Which one?
And the fourth one.
No, I'm asking fifth one. Fourth one, Adrit is finding out. Adrit, do it. You give me, Ashwath will give me the answer for fifth one.
Ma'am, I'm Adrit.
Okay, Adrit. Okay, Adrit, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 1636.
1636.
Ma'am, I got a different answer. I got 76,800.
How is that variation? Check your answers then.
Ma'am, actually, I forgot to multiply with 55.
Do then not multiply with 55. You have to apply the distributive law. Okay, commutative.
Ma'am, so that I got 55 plus 45 is 100 and I added two zeros.
Same, easy.
Okay, so instead of this, it will be. Okay, now where is Ashwath? Ashwath? Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am. I got 94,435.
Yes, ma'am, same answer.
94,435. Okay.
Yes.
Others also getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now using the distributive law, find the answer for this. Please find the answer for this using distributive law. Okay, till here. Okay, just quickly do this, then your class time is over. Quickly find the answers. I'll ask you one by one. Ridesh is there? Ridesh? Ridesh
He is not there.
is not there. Most of the time he is not there in the class. He's not there.
Ma'am, today many people are absent, ma'am.
No, but Ridesh was there earlier. No? He left in the middle.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, mostly in all the classes he left.
Ma'am, I got the seventh answer.
He leaves in the middle.
Ma'am, I got the seventh answer.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, 43,000. Ma'am, not 43,000. Ma'am, like.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, like 4,000.
See, in
Can you
place of
calculate
99, what will you write? 100 minus 1. You can write it like this. Then what do you get? Yes, Ritesh, give the answer.
Ma'am, I got 53,559.
53,559.
59.
This, no?
Yes, ma'am. What you wrote is correct.
Okay. Adrit, you got the same answer?
Ma'am, I got 43,821.
Check again, beta. Please check again. Then minus 541.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I also got the same.
So here you have 5, 3. Yes, this is the same correct answer. And for the next one, what will you do? I'm not doing the whole of the calculation. I'm just showing you. Okay. Now this is 25.
20.
So 20 plus 5 also you can write, or you can split this also, 848 as we did.
Ma'am, but 48 is the greater number, ma'am. So we can take 40 plus 8.
So like this into 25. Okay. This way you can do 25 into 8.
Ma'am, in distributive property, we need to find the expanded form of any one number.
Yes. Okay, so that's 100, 0, and 25 into 8 is 200. So
And
you
I
can
got
add up all these. Okay, so you can add up all these. So
And I got the answer as 21,200.
okay, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so is that all clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So please practice more such questions. Okay. And I'll find some series also what you're saying. We'll practice more questions once we do with the chapters. Then we have more questions to practice while we do more of revision.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So thank
Ma'am,
you for
they are
today.
posting in the group, ma'am.
What happened?
All they are posting in the group the India test series, everything in the group.
Okay. So okay, if they're posting in the group, so can't you open that?
Ma'am, we
Maybe
can open, but
for you to practice, no?
no, ma'am, he's saying that if we want revision.
Yes, ma'am. Revision.
Okay, revision also will do. That is for you to practice. I will do the revision from maybe wherever I want. Okay, whatever I get, good things. Good
Ma'am,
questions.
test is just tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
I'm like for 2
don't
months.
worry about the test. Keep
2
practicing.
months. ma'am. 2 months.
Okay. Never mind. Keep practicing. Okay. The more questions you practice, that will be good for you.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not that only that series will give you your question paper sums. It's not like that. The more questions you practice from wherever. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So thank you for today.
Okay, ma'am.
children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Good night.